Presenting the Mi Band 3 in black color. The 0.78-inch OLED touchscreen allows you to access data with one touch of a finger. The adjustable strap length is 155 to 216 mm. A full charge will last up to 20 days when not using automatic heart rate. Automatic heart rate uses advanced algorithm to accurately measure your heart rate and consumes more battery. When using this feature, the band will give you an expected battery life of 3 to 9 days. 5 ATM rating. Water resistant for up to 50 meters, which means you can swim and surf while wearing the band. The Mi Band allows you to track your fitness activities real-time. It can monitor your heart rate on a continuous basis. It can also analyze your sleeping patterns and track your daily steps as well. Get instant notifications when you get a call, receive messages via WhatsApp or SMS. Get alerts from apps like Uber. The Find My Phone feature allows you to ring your phone if it is misplaced. For Android users, it also has a phone unlock feature. The Mi Band can also operate like a stopwatch and has additional features like quiet mode shuffle, weather forecast, alarms and reminders, and more. You can also get the Mi Fit app and set customized daily goals. Choose an exercise that works for you and regularly check your progress, as well as view your personalized sleep data. Inside the box, you will find one Mi Band sensor, one strap, one charging cable, one user guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.